Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys the best crypto coin to buy right now. So keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a Loose Moose. So we are going to be talking about one specific project and something that I've talked about in the past. If you guys have been tuned in to this channel before, you would already have seen this project. But if you are new, definitely check out this project. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. You're listening to a Loose Moose. So right now we are July 7th, 2025. And this project right now is completely underrated. Okay, you still have another shot at this project. So the project that we're going to talk about is Cornucopias. This is a metaverse project. It looks fantastic. Okay, we're looking at the price. I think this is a mega opportunity. So me personally, I am tripling down on my position. I love the team. I love the transparency. I just watched a video. If you guys have not seen my other videos on COPI, just go over here to the channel or just put in COPI, Crypto Moose. Something should come up. But I've been talking about this project for a while. A year ago, COPI price prediction, 2024 bull run, which didn't really happen the way I thought it would. But guys, I have one of my first videos. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I bought 50,000 COPI. And the price is still at the same point. So even though if we take a look at the price, and I want to talk about this. And guys, it's all about getting in when the price is, it's all about buying when everybody's fearful, right? It's all about when you buy, and you don't want to buy at the top. You didn't want to buy this at 12 cents or whatever it got to, right? Yeah, almost 12 cents. Let's just say 11 cents. This project, for the longest time has just hovered around a penny to 3 pennies. Okay. Where should I start with this? So there's a lot going on with this project. They've been developing the game for a while. This game looks incredible. There's also a new trailer that just came out. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm not going to play it, but I'll share with you where you can go to watch that. So here we're just going to go to Cornucopias. And guys, go to the website. Check out the game for yourself. So all you're going to do is follow Cornucopias game. It's at Cornucopias game. So at Cornucopias game, the calm before the storm, full trailer. I recommend you watch that. The team, 2 days ago, they just released a 30-minute video. Rob and Josh, I met them in Vegas. Super nice guys. I met most of the team, so I just want to say hi to Josh as well. Late Game Crypto, that guy's awesome. Guys, check out the game. So much going on. They are improving the graphics. The nodes are doing quite well, so I'll pop that up here as well. So if you guys want, you can go to the link tree. Here you can pick up different things. I have links for you. That's the idea. Stake your ADA to the Hedges stake pool. I got to start promoting that more. But here, if you guys go to NFTs, you can click on Cornucopias. Okay, so I have quick links for you all. So hopefully this will get in. Hopefully I'm authenticated. There we go. So we have links here. You guys can pick up whatever you want regarding NFTs. So these are in-game assets. In my opinion, they look fantastic. This game is going to perform well, assuming crypto gaming picks up. So many people are going to talk about this. The full launch hasn't even happened yet. So just so much potential here. Again, it's not your Bitcoin play, but it's got a lot of potential. So here, if we go to the website this way, I got a lot going on. So let's maybe hide that for a minute. But here I'm going to go to manage nodes. Okay. So if you guys pick up one of these, so I'm going to share with you, go to JPEG store. If you're familiar with Cardano, all you're going to do is go to this website and you can begin to buy, sell NFTs. So here you can see I've already been looking at them. This is your Cornucopias file node access key. So I've got a few of these, and basically you can manage your nodes. So this game is decentralized, and what they're doing is they're allowing you to run your own node. I'm not doing that right now. I may do it in the future. The Moose has a lot going on right now, so it's tough. But here you can see a balance. This is with, I don't know which wallets, maybe 4 wallets linked. I have some more on other chains. But yeah, this token is available on Cardano, on Base, BNB, I believe on Ethereum as well. So this game is awesome, and their token is on multiple chains. It is a multi-chain game. So that's fantastic. So here, what you have to do is sign another transaction. I've done videos on this, but all you're going to do is connect your wallets, and then you can delegate your nodes. Keep in mind that if you go to rewards, I want to share this with you. This is an estimate, okay? So actual 1 out of 99. Here is your file node performance. If you go here to projected, this is what you are more projected to make. So here you can see 17.9 per file node. So this is July 7th. Basically, I was earning a lot more COPI before, but now it's going to be more decentralized. People are running their nodes, and basically you're going to be able to, you will be earning a lot more COPI with your nodes. It's just that you have to wait for everything to be running. So even if you read here, these are projected rewards. This is to show how the potential reward ratio would perform. This is subject to change. No changes will be made. Actual rewards without ample notice. So keep that in mind. You can go to manage pools. So yeah, the Moose does not have any pools. Maybe I should create a Moose pool. I got to get into it more. Public pools dashboard. This is the one. This is where I did it. So definitely go there. Go to the public pools dashboard and get into, one of your, choose one. Choose one. So there's a lot. Wow, there's a lot here. Wow. So which one am I in? Availability, yes. Let's see what's available. Okay, so 30% saturation, cool. All right, so anyways, guys, my point is that there's a lot going on with this game. Check out the trailer. Keep in mind, this game is being built using Unreal Engine 5. The in-game assets look great, but for this channel, I'm very confident that we will look back. It could be a month from now, 6 months from now, and you'll be like, wow, this project did a 100x. Maybe more. So I'm just stoked. I'm happy the price is where it is. And to me, it's just an opportunity. So guys, hit up the link tree. If you are not protecting your crypto, you can actually hold COPI using a Tangent wallet. So this is a Tangent wallet. Catch it. There we go. I do not want to ruin this video. Let's do it again. Oh, got it again. So this is a Tangent wallet. It's a cold wallet, hardware wallet, if you will. Click on the link. Use code MOOSE. Save 10% off. You guys can pick up a 2-card set for $50 or pick up the ring. I like the ring. 3-card set. You have these beautiful colors as well. I want to get this blue one. So Tangent, if you're listening, send the Moose a limited edition. I will unbox it. I will give you my thoughts and opinions. It's probably going to be a positive review. On top of that, guys, we have links to everything else. COPI, and I have tutorials, guys. If you want to pick up this token, keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just sharing with you different things. So here, no, we're not going to go there. What I want to do is share with you some of the tutorials that I do have. So if you do go to COPI tutorial, I show you how to pick up COPI. Yeah, how to buy COPI tokens tutorial. There we go. So staking. That's okay. So here's a good one. Almost no views. I have 3 good ones. how to buy COPI tokens, Cardano ADA, how to buy COPI tokens if you have BNB, so using PancakeSwap, the other one's using Dux Hunter. And then I also have one for Uniswap for ETH as well, okay? So if you guys want, check those out. Comment down below. What is your 100x? I believe this is an absolute winner. I'm just impressed. And guys, opportunities. Cheers.